I'm getting ready to do an ultimate and amazing prank on, well, it's this makeup. It looks like I've been cut, and it's Halloween, so why not? I'm going to be doing these all month. And the first place we're going to start at is the QT gas station, and then we're going to do the 2-in-1 tonight, and then next I'm going to go home and I'm going to prank my boyfriend, and that's going to be like the ultimate, like, best prank ever. So this is what the makeup looks like, and then I'm going to link the makeup artist. She is so amazing, guys. So if you are in Atlanta and you want your makeup done anytime in the month of October or after, because she actually does like regular makeup, please hit her up. But this is the makeup right here, so let's go. No, someone, this on number 3, they cut me my face. Number 3? Yes. Yes. What's
Somebody on pump?
No, I was standing on pump number 3.
Somebody just came by and got you?
What? It's not real. What's going on? It's not real. Oh.
Okay, guys, so he has been calling me like crazy and blowing up my phone. It's like almost 11 o'clock at night, so he's probably wondering where I'm at. I have my baby back there with me. She went over there to, like, been with me over there all day. This makeup literally only took like 30 minutes to do, but yeah, so I'm waiting on them to pull up so that we can go inside. And yeah, I'm gonna say that someone came up on me, I don't know, the gas station or something, while I was with my friend.
She ain't got no phone.
Yeah, she ain't answering. She probably knocked out. Did he open the door? No, open the front door. Elizabeth.
Who did it?
The girl, I don't even know. Some girl at the gas station. I was knocking on the door and everything. Y'all ain't wake up. I was calling your phone and everything. Go upstairs, Mookie. Get ready for bed. I'm gonna have to go sit down. Yeah, Johnny.
Jesus, why?
I don't know. She just came. I was on pump number 3, girl. She just ran from out of nowhere. Somebody had to bring me back home. It look bad.
No, Jess, I think you have to get stitches because it's like split.
Oh man, I ain't even looked at the mirror yet.
You're not really worried about it?
It hurt, but I ain't want to look at it because I know I'm gonna freak out. Oh my God. Oh man, my face gonna be messed up.
So she just ran?
Yes, girl. It's a prank.
Oh my God.